Welcome to Transition to Healthy Self, and in this video I will be talking about the realest natural hair crochet I've ever done, so stay tuned. Alright, so let's kick things off. I first started off with getting this Marley style crochet hair. I purchased a number 4, 100% Canicolon. I purchased 2 packs because in each pack it comes with 2 sets of crochet hair. So it was just $5.99. I'll link all the information about what kind of pack this is down in the description box below. Next, I purchased just your regular crochet latch for hair. Very simple. I believe it was just $1. And then I got my apple cider vinegar, which you guys know I always clean my hair off. So if you want to see a video about that, let me know in the comment section. I'll also link a video about how I prep my hair before protective styling right above here. For this type of natural crochet look, this is how I braided my hair, and then I pretty much just took all the braids back together in the back and just sewed them together at the bottom. So as you can see, I've already started most of my hair, but for the instructions, you want to pull the crochet latch through, make sure it's open, then you attach the extension, close the latch, pull it through your braid, and then you want to loop the tail end through the hair, and then basically you're going to pull it taut. Now I personally like to tie it one more time. This is optional, but that's just something I like doing, and that's all I do is I take the pieces, separate them, and then tie them off one more time. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys again. In the front, you're going to open a latch, attach the hair, close the crochet latch, pull through, and then tie off the tail ends of the hair. And there you have it, very simple and easy. Now comment down below if there is another way that you crochet or you use a different kind of method. I would love to know because this is the first time I've done this in a very long time. Alright, so now I'm finished all the hair, and this was a lot of hair for me. Too much actually. So I decided to wet the hair, put some leave-in conditioner that I had lying around on it, and really just massage it and rake it through the hair. And try to get it to, try to manipulate it a little bit so that way it wouldn't be so much hair for me. But I eventually wound up just cutting it and brushing it out and then just twisting it. I was going to braid it, but I felt like the twist would be better because it would give me more of that blown out natural look. And so I pretty much just twisted all the way through each section. Like I said in the beginning, I wanted this to be the realest, most natural crochet look possible, so that's what I was going for, like that blown out look. And I was going to be keeping this style in my hair for the next 2 weeks until I delivered. So I wanted something that 1 looked natural, 2 was easy to do, and 3 I wouldn't have to do too much work to my hair. So it was really important for me to get this tamed. Now this is the majority of the hair that I actually cut out. It was a lot. Alright, so it's the next morning, and this is what the hair looks like after I've fully brushed it through with the leave-in conditioner, kind of softening it. And guys, again, this is still the most realist natural crochet I've done. It looks so good, and like I said, I just wanted a simple look so that way when it came time to deliver, I didn't have to really fool around with my hair too much. So just looking back, I actually wound up keeping this style in for almost 3 weeks. And I stuck with a basic bun look like this one. Very similar to this look, or I had a bun on top of my head, or I did this half up, half down look, which was really easy. You know, obviously I had to fix it up a little bit, you know, brush the edges down, that kind of thing. But outside of that, it was very simple to maintain this hair and to keep the looks very basic. I hope you guys like these 2 styles. Obviously, you can do other options, but give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Stay well, stay healthy, be blessed, and I will catch you guys in the next hair video. Bye.